Hey guys, so we have a Hoover Shampooer here. This is a smart wash, and we're trying to find out what the problem is. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. You're going to be live and up front and see what happens when I hit this power button. So let's release this handle and turn it on. What do you guys think it is? Well, all right, so let's do this. Let's do a process of elimination. That sounds like a motor, I'll be honest with you. Let's remove the brushes, okay? All right, let's remove the brushes. So the only thing that's running at this point is gonna be the motor. No pumps, no brush rolls. So if you still hear a sound, then you can identify where that sound is coming from. So let's give it a shot. Yes, that is the motor. Okay, so that's what we're going to have to deal with this unit. We're going to have to replace this motor. I believe this is still under warranty, so we're going to have to get something done. All right, but when you're doing the process of elimination, guys, and you're hearing noises, I normally like to get rid of that brush first, and then I can really kind of identify where that noise might be coming from. And especially, let's say you only hear a noise when you squeeze the trigger. Then you know it's associated somewhere with the pump or something along that line, right? Yeah, that's it for today, guys. All right, this is just find ways to kind of break down. You hear a noise, where do you go from there? And but I may have a video on how we fix this problem here with this motor. Okay, all right, stay tuned. All right, so here's a second smart wash. Okay, the person had two actually, and we're having another problem with this. So let's find out what this one is. Let's turn it on and see what's going on. Okay, let's, okay, that's out of here. Let's, got some issues here, right? Let's remove the brushes on this one again. Okay, it's a lot of pet hairs all over this unit. Okay, let's turn it on again and see where that sound is coming from, all right? Let's see if we can break it down. What do you think? Motor also? That's what it sounds like, okay? So it looks like both of these units have a motor problem. We're gonna figure it out, all right? But that's what it sounds like. So just going based off of just your ears, your eyes, your nose sometimes, you can kind of figure out what's going on, all right? Okay, guys, I'll keep you guys posted on what the next step for these units, but I'm gonna be looking like we're gonna be replacing two motors on these machines here, all right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and also make sure you visit our page where we have cool shirts like these. Take a look at this one I'm wearing, all right? We'll have some more for you to look at. Talk to you later, bye.